Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to take under p-block elements oxygen family. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Kindly follow under oxygen family, what are the members present there? So the members are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. So this is the symbol for the corresponding oxygen O, sulfur S, selenium Se, tellurium Te, polonium Po. The corresponding electronic configurations. So instead of giving from the beginning, it is given, that is helium electronic configuration plus 2s2 2p4. Same way, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Kindly follow. So I will give one important information. So we need only outermost electronic configuration which decide the reactivity, valency, etc. So always in the oxygen family, Ns to Np4 is the configuration. Ns to Np4 is the general configuration. So oxygen 2s2 2p4, sulfur 3s2 3p4, selenium 4s2 4p4, tellurium 5s2 5p4, polonium 6s2 6p4. Please follow. Now, coming for today I am going to discuss under the oxygen family general properties I am going to discuss today. What is general? 1. Occurrence. 2. Atomic size. 3. Melting and boiling points. 4. Ionization energy. 5. Oxidation state. 6. Metallic character. And 7. Electronegativity. 8. Nature of bonding. And 9. Reactivity. Please follow. So this is the most important general properties we have to discuss under oxygen family. First, let me take now occurrence. Oxygen family constitutes 16th group of the long form of periodic table. This group is also known as chalcogen. Please memorize. They will say oxygen family are called chalcogens. Oxygen is the most abundant of all the elements on the earth, that is 46.6% by mass of earth crust, but sulfur is only 0.03 to 0.1%. Selenium and tellurium are also found in traces, but polonium is the decay product of thorium and uranium. It's radioactive. Coming for atomic size. We know the property we have studied already under general periodification properties. Generally, atomic radius or covalent radius increases across the group. So oxygen 66 in picometer, 104, 117, 137, 14. It is increases across the group. Kindly follow. All other properties reverse of atomic size, kindly you can come across. Melting and boiling points. The melting point and boiling point increase regularly. Kindly follow. The first melting point, 55, 323, 490, 725, 520, increasing. Same way, boiling point also increasing order. So melting and boiling point generally increase regularly. Kindly follow. Then coming for ionization, another periodic property, this is the reverse of size. So generally ionization energy decreases across the group. This is the across the group, decreases. So oxygen 1314, sulfur 1000, selenium 941, tellurium 869, the polonium 813. Kindly follow. It decreases across the group. Now, the most important property is oxidation state, because only oxidation state decides the reactivity of that particular element. All of them have electronic configuration of general Ns2 Np4, totally 6 electrons in the outermost, Ns2 Np6, and they tend to gain or share 2 electrons to assume nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Please follow. All the elements in the group having 6 electrons in the outermost shell exhibit a maximum oxidation state of 6 towards oxygen when all the 6 electrons are used. So now kindly follow the other elements present here. So when it reacts with oxygen only, it will show maximum of 6 valency. Please follow. So let me go for further information regarding oxidation state. -2 oxidation state is common in all the elements. Please follow, except polonium, which is a metal, which is positive. Kindly follow. So -2. So normally, I have already discussed how to identify the valency or oxidation state from the periodic table. Kindly refer. So here automatically starting from the oxygen, -2 is the common oxidation state. The stability of -2 oxidation state decreases, kindly follow, decreases across the group, down the group. Other elements of the group exhibit +2, +4 and +6 oxidation state, but +4 and +6 oxidation states are more common. +4 and +6 oxidation states are more common among this family. The stability of +6 oxidation state decreases across the group, and the stability of +4 oxidation state increases down the group. Please follow. This is the most important. So, kindly follow. I told you the family. This is the family. Electronic configuration. Kindly follow. This is the family. So, what will happen now? If you go for sulfur, let me take now sulphur dioxide. So, oxidation state +4. Sulphur trioxide +6. Kindly follow. So, the oxidation state is here, it normally varies. So, here oxygen is -2. Kindly follow. All other elements when combined with oxygen, because of high electronegativity of oxygen, other elements have positive oxidation state. This is the most important information you must have in mind. Please follow. So that is given clearly under the oxidation state. Kindly follow. +4 and +6 oxidation states are more common. More common. I told you already, SO2, SO3. The stability of +6 oxidation state decreases down the group, and stability of +4 oxidation state increases down the group. Kindly follow. Let me go for metallic character. Metallic nature of element increases across the group. So from gas, oxygen is non-metal. Next sulfur, solid. Selenium, tellurium are non-metals, and polonium is the radioactive metal having half-life period of 138.4 days. Please memorize, sometimes they may ask question. What is the half-life period of tellurium? 138.4 days. Please follow. Coming for the next periodic property, that is electronegativity under the general properties. Generally, electronegativity decreases across the group. This is our general observation, I told you. Reverse of atomic size. But here, exception observed in selenium. Please follow. Exception is observed in selenium. So normally, as per the rule, it has to decrease across the group. So 3.5, 2.4. So it should be 2.2, 2.3. But exceptionally, selenium is having greater than 2.44. So it is an exception, kindly note. Keep it in your mind, memorize. So next 2.1, not 1, and another is polonium 1.76. So next to fluorine, oxygen has the highest electronegativity value among the elements. It is 3.5. Oxygen is 3.5, fluorine is 4. Fluorine is 4, oxygen equal to 3.5. So it is the second highest electronegative element among the elements present. Please follow. Coming for bonding, this is the most important character. Generally, tendency of forming covalent compounds decreases. Generally, tendency of forming covalent compounds decreases across the group. Kindly follow. Across the group. Consequently, the compounds of oxygen and sulfur are predominantly covalent, while selenium, tellurium, polonium compounds are ionic in nature. So when you move across the group, the compounds formed, oxygen and sulfur, they form covalent. When you come for the selenium and tellurium and polonium, you will have ionic compound. Please follow. This is ionic, this is covalent. This is the important information. You must have it in mind. The next, coming for reactivity, this is the most important. Reactivity. Reaction with oxygen, with the hydrogen, sorry. So, reaction of the family members, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. So, with hydrogen, all members form hydrides of formula H2E. E stands for these family members. E equal to O, sulfur, the oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Stability of these hydride decreases gradually, whereas acidic character increases. All the hydrides except water possess reducing property. Water is a neutral. And this character increases from sulfur to tellurium. Please follow. The next one. Reaction with oxygen. That means oxygen is one of the member, pest member. But other elements in the family, they will react with oxygen because oxygen is more electronegative. So other elements will be comparatively less electro. So they can combine with oxygen, form oxides of oxygen. Kindly follow. All these elements form a number of oxides, either EO2 or EO3. E stands for sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, etc. Kindly follow. And ozone and SO2 are gases, while selenium dioxide is a solid. Reducing property of dioxide decreases from SO2 to tellurium dioxide. They are generally acidic in nature, but acidity decreases and basicity increases across the group. All this information you have to keep it in mind. When you move across the group, oxides of these elements decreases, acidity decreases, basicity increases, because when you move down, metallic character increases. Kindly follow. Formation of halides. All elements form large number of types of formula EX2, EX4, EX6. Amongst hexahalides, hexafluorides are the only stable halide. Hexafluoride is the only stable halide. Please follow. The stability of the halide decreases in the order F greater than Cl greater than Br greater than I. Covalent character of halide decreases across the group and ionic character increases. So starting from fluorine, kindly follow chlorine, bromine and iodine. This is the halogen family. Next family we are going to discuss. So when you treat with this, the chalcogen family, that is oxygen for example, if they are reacting with the correspondingly halides, so oxygen with the halides, oxygen with, say for example, the F2O, ClO2, BrO2. So like that, if you go there, what will happen? It is comparatively, we are giving information is covalent character of halides decreases across the group, ionic character increases. The next, dioxygen. Under this I have to discuss. That is O2, laboratory method of preparation. Dioxygen can be prepared in the laboratory by following methods. By decomposition of salts such as chlorates, nitrates and permanganates, we are getting oxygen. Example, I am taking potassium chlorate in presence of manganese dioxide. Action of heat produces potassium chloride and oxygen will be liberated. We easily collect in the laboratory. Please follow. The second important method, by decomposition of oxides of metal, low in the electrochemical series and high oxides of same metal, kindly for some metal. So silver oxide. So decompose to give silver and oxygen. Mercury oxide decomposes silver, mercury, oxygen. Lead oxide decompose lead oxide, oxygen. And then Pb3O4 giving lead oxide and oxygen. That means in the electrochemical series above hydrogen, so automatically they will decompose to produce oxygen. Kindly follow. Then 3. Hydrogen peroxide is readily decomposed into water and dioxide by catalysts such as finely divided metals and manganese dioxide, MnO2. It decomposes into water and oxygen. So we can prepare oxygen. Finally, let me go for commercial method. On large scale, it can be prepared from water by electrolysis or from air by liquefaction and distillation. So main method is commercially electrolysis of water. You take water and pass electric current in a cell, electric current. So you will get H plus and OH minus ion automatically produced. So when you pass electric current, what will happen? This will move towards the negative electrode. This will move towards the positive electrode. What will happen now automatically? OH. So in the positive electrode, oxygen will be liberated. Please follow. Oxygen will be liberated. Kindly follow. Coming for properties, physical property. Dioxin is a colorless and odorless gas. Its solubility in water is just sufficient for the vital support of marine and aquatic life. So without oxygen, living things will not, that is all human beings will not survive. Please follow. Coming for chemical properties, action of metal. First, let me take. Dioxygen directly reacts with nearly all metals except noble metal. Noble metal means coinage metal, copper, silver, gold. So calcium, for example, reacts with oxygen, calcium oxide. Aluminum, for example, gives aluminum oxide. Kindly follow. Alkali and alkaline earth metals will easily combine with oxygen to produce corresponding oxide. Okay. Then, action of non-metals. Dioxin directly reacts with nearly all non-metals, almost all non-metals. Carbon reacts with oxygen, carbon dioxide. Phosphorus reacts with oxygen, phosphorus pentoxide or dimer P4H10. Phosphorus pentoxide, the dimer is P4H10. Kindly follow. Now, coming for third one, action of compounds. Dioxin reacts with some compound in presence of catalyst. So methane, it reacts with sunlight to produce carbon dioxide and water. Undergoes oxidation. All organic compounds undergoes oxidation to produce carbon dioxide and water. So methane also will undergo. The next one, in presence of vanadium pentoxide catalyst, sulphur dioxide is oxidized by oxygen to produce sulphur trioxide. So it is the method of preparation of sulphur trioxide. And same in the presence of copper chloride catalyst, SCl will be oxidized by oxygen to give chlorine and water. Please follow. So this is the most important information, the action of compound. Coming for uses, it is used, one, as a welding agent in the form of oxyacetylene flame. Welding purposes. Number 2, in the manufacture of many metals, particularly steel. 3, in the hospital and high altitude flying and in mountaineering, so we required oxygen. Because always oxygen cylinders are available in all hospitals. Kindly follow. Number 4, as combustion of fuels, mainly in rockets, we are using this oxygen. This is the uses of dioxin. So let me discuss about the oxides. Please follow. Oxides. So I can call it as simple oxides. A binary compounds of oxygen with another element is called oxide. Another element is called oxide. Oxygen reacts with most of the elements of the periodic table to form oxide. So oxygen reacts with most of the elements because it is the highly electronegative, second to fluorine. 3.5 is the electronegativity according to Pauling. So all electropositive elements reacts with oxygen easily. So this oxide, I will call it as simple oxides. So these oxide I can classify it into 4 types. One is acetic oxide, basic oxide, amphoteric oxide, and neutral oxide. Kindly follow. So let me discuss some more information. Kindly follow. What is acetic oxide? As a general rule, only non-metals are acidic in nature. Non-metals will produce acetic oxide. But oxides of some metals in higher oxidation state also have higher the acidic character. So example is given below. The oxide which give an acid with water are known as acetic oxide. So any oxide which give an acid with water, we'll call it as acetic oxide. Example, you can take CO2, SO2, N2O5, Cl2O7, etc. So I have given example. SO2 reacts with water, sulfurous acid, H2SO3. CrO3, H2O giving chromic acid, H2CrO4. Kindly follow. Now, this is called acidic oxide. Coming for the basic oxides. The oxide which give a base with water are called known as basic oxide. So when you treat with, water is a mediator. When you treat oxide with water, if acid is produced, acidic oxide, base is produced, basic oxide. In general, metallic oxides are basic in nature. Example, sodium oxide, calcium oxide, barium oxide. Calcium oxide combines with water, calcium hydroxide. Very, very easy way we can kindly follow. So for example, if you want to write equation, kindly follow. I am writing here. Calcium oxide combines to give calcium hydroxide. See, this is the equation. Kindly follow. So, any oxide reacts with what to produce corresponding hydroxides of the metal. So, we'll call it as basic oxide. The next, third one, amphoteric oxide. What is amphoteric? They are behaving as a dual character, behaving as an acid, as a base, depending upon the other component that is reacting. Some metallic oxide exhibit dual character, dual behavior. Metallic oxide, please note. Some metallic oxide exhibit dual behavior. They show characteristics of both acidic as well as basic oxide. They react with what? Acid as well as alkali. React with acid and alkali. Example, you take now aluminium oxide reacts with HCl presence of water. It is the complex it is forming 2Al H2O6 times Al3 hexaco aluminum trichloride. Kindly follow. The same, this is again with the sodium hydroxide, it also reacts. So first case HCl acid. So this is acting as a base. The second case reacts with the base, so it is acting as an acid. So now it is producing corresponding Na3 within bracket AlOH 6 times. So both are complexes. So what is complex compound? We will be discussing under the coordination compound. Kindly follow. The main point I want to convey, the same metal oxide will behave as an acid, as a base depending upon the nature. Kindly follow the reacting substance. In this case, aluminum oxide is common. It reacts both with acid. In that case, it is a base. It reacts with the base, sodium hydroxide base. So in that case, it is acting as an acid. Okay. The next one, neutral oxide. Neutral oxides are those which are neither acidic nor basic. Specific example, CO, NO, N2O. These are all neutral oxides. Kindly follow. I hope I have completed my class today. Dear students who are viewing the YouTube channel, my channel, Neat Chemistry by Dr.R.G. If you are viewing for the first time, kindly click like and click subscribe button to motivate me, and also share with our friends. And I want to give one important information. I have started this because I am a retired professor previously working in the Kanji Mamunivar Center for Postgraduate Studies in Pondicherry, guiding MPhil and PhD students. So after retirement, just I want to do the social service to the students of poor students of throughout India. There are students, they cannot go even for tuition because of the poor nature. So for them, I want to help. So if you follow my channel, you need not worry, you do not go to any tuition for chemistry. So I have started from 8th standard, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. After finishing that, I am going to discuss also the question papers or previous year question papers. So if you follow my YouTube, I can give you assurance you will get 100% marks in your not only in school subject but also in NEET entrance examination. 180 out of 180 you will get. Please follow. Right. Here I want to give another information for you, my dear student. This is for students who are studying +1, +2 or +2 completed student, repeaters. So we are running a coaching center, Vetri Coaching Center in Pondicherry for the last 20 years. We have a number of achievements. If you want to see our achievement, everything in home page of Vetri.s, our website, Vetri.s, Vetri Namade in Tamil. So if you enter into home page, you can see all our achievements. So 1 or 2 achievements I can point out. 1. Every year, minimum 10 to 20 students are joining to Jipper Medical College. 150 to 200 students are joining in other medical colleges. Few students are joining IIT and hundreds of students are joining other engineering colleges in government quota. Please follow, not in the paid quota, government quota, because of merit. The another important feature, most important evidence, one of our students, R. Srinivasa Raghavan, came All India first rank in 2003. In JIPMAR, All India first rank he took. This is our best achievement in the year 2003. At that time, NEET common entrance examination was not there. Okay. Now, I want to give some important features of Vetri.s. What are the important features available in Vetri.s? Vetri.s has, number 1, 200 video lesson, 200 unit test. Please follow. So all the 200 video lessons were handled by professors with a PhD degree and the teaching experience, 20 to 30 years of teaching, coaching the medical and engineering students, also BSc, MSc, MPhil and PhD students. They are handling classes. One advantage of viewing the video lesson is our video lesson full of notes. Kindly follow, full of notes. If you see other online coaching, they will speak, nothing will be there on the board behind. So here, everything systematic, but level will be BSc level. Because when you go for IIT, advanced the level, this will be useful for you. So what is the advantage in video lesson? When you are looking there, notes will be there. So whenever any new information for you, new formula, new definition, if it came to you, which is not available in your textbook, kindly touch the video. You can note all the information, then again touch, it will move. So you can open any number of times, you can see the video. This one. Second is, we have 200 unit tests in all the subjects. Kindly follow. Approximately 50 units in each subject. So what is the advantage of this one is, we have framed questions for these unit tests from 20 years of IIT question papers, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. So only from these 20 years, 1980 to 2015, question papers are asked here in the unit test. So that what is the advantage we have observed? For the last 6 years in the NEET entrance examination of conducted by Government of India, we observed 75 to 80 questions are coming, same question are coming from Vettidata's question bank. Vettidata's question bank, that is from 200 unit tests. So easily you will get now 320 marks if you join Vettidata's. Kindly follow. If you are a very good student, you can get 300 plus again. So 600 to 700 easily you will get. So you will become All India first rank. You can join whatever college you want, JIPMER, AIMS or Vellore. Kindly follow. So another most important informations I want to give here, even a dull student, they can get minimum 500 marks if you join Vettidata's. Okay, right. So I will give some important information regarding the test, how to attend the unit test. If you go for the menu test, click test, go into this. Say for example, in this case, P-block elements. So if you go for P-block elements, there is a unit. And the unit, there will be two tests, test 1 and test 2. Each one having 45 questions. So each unit we are having 45 questions. So when you enter the unit test, what will happen now? Click attempt. Click attempt. Immediately a window will open. Then window will ask you, give information, this question paper of P-block elements has 45 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. All the questions are equal, having equal marks. If you answer one correctly, 4 marks awarded. If you answer wrongly, -1 will be subtracted. So are you ready? It will ask. So if you click OK, immediately it will enter into you can see the question paper, a new window open. In the question paper, kindly see, there will be question 1, you can see. Option A, option B, option C, option D, you can see. Then there are 3 menus, you can see. And below that, there is 1 to 45 number. Question number will be there in yellow color. Kindly follow. The left menu, it is reverse. Right menu, it is next. And the center one, it is complete. Please follow. Don't touch complete. In between, if you touch complete, even the entire question paper will be closed. Marks will not be get full marks. So take care. When you are touching, your hand should be either in the next or in the reverse. Please follow. So let us assume now, you are reading the question and you are observing A is the correct answer, you are clicking. If you click A, immediately what will happen now, here in the below, 1 to 45, they are in number will be in yellow color. Number 1 will become green color. Number 2 will become blue color. All other number will be yellow color. That means you can be able to understand what questions you have attended, what are the questions you have not attended. This facility is not available in any other online coaching in India. Please follow. This provision is not present. Please compare and see. This is our main feature of Vettidata's. The second thing is, kindly follow. So after finishing, I will give some general information later. After finishing all the 45 questions, click the center, complete, press complete. Immediately a window will open. In the window, you will get marks. So for example, 160 out of 1, that is 180. That means you are losing 20 marks. So you want to know where you have done mistakes. So provisions are given in Vettidata's. Kindly follow. There is a menu called review menu. Please follow. There is a menu called review menu. That is next to mark, it is there. If you click review, a window will open. In the window, question 1 you can see. Question 1 you can see option A, option B, C, D. And after D, there is correct answer will be given in yellow color. And below there, it is a video solution. Solution that in the form of video. So since you have answered A is the correct answer, your answer will be in blue color. Correct answer will be in yellow color. You compare, both are same, correct. Both are different, it is wrong. If it is wrong, kindly follow. If you want, you can just touch the video solution. Immediately, Professor having doctorate degree with 20 to 30 years of experience will take class like classroom coaching. Like classroom. He will stand in front of a board. In the board, there is a question, option, everything. He will start explain, reading the question, reading the option, and then give the definition, explanation, what are the tricks to be followed, how to calculate, if it's a problem, how to apply formula, unit, everything he will explain. It will take minimum 10 to 15 minutes to view the video lesson. Please follow. So very good students are easily score 600 to 700 marks by seeing this video solution. See how many videos we have. Nearly 10,000 to 12,000 video solutions are there. This option is not there in any online coaching of India. Please follow. If you see there other online coaching, they will give simply one word. Say for example, answer is oxygen, means they will give O2. Other maximum they will give one line or two line. Typed matter they will give. So a weak student cannot understand this. But for us, with daughters will teach you like a teacher in the classroom, full answer. This is the advantage of daughters. Please follow. So another most important advantage is this is the low cost. Please follow. Low cost, even very, very poor student, they can offer because we are charging only 10,000 rupees. Please follow. Right. Dear students, those who are attending NEET entrance examination of Government of India or our unit test after joining with your daughters, you have to follow 3 steps. What are the 3 steps you have to follow? Please follow these 3 steps. So definitely you will score 600 to 700 marks. 100% guarantee. First step, attend this order. Botany, zoology, chemistry, physics. This order you have to attend. First step, only known questions. 100% known question, you attend theory questions. Let us assume you have answered 100 questions. Please follow. Out of 100, 80 questions from our vetted daughters. That is the unit test it is. If you are a vetted student, then automatically 880 questions will be there automatically. So we will get. So 100 question means you have now 400 marks with you easily. The next second step, you go for difficult question. That is theory with the difficulty. You think twice or thrice. And if you observe it is 80%, it may be right, put a tick mark. Click the answer, option. If it is less than 40% worth, no, don't click, don't lose the mark. Second step over. Third step, go to chemistry and physics problems. So when you go for, normally in chemistry, 1/3 of the questions will be a problem, physics 50% will be problem. So when you are attending problem, apply suitable formula, substitute suitable units, SI units, whatever units, then calculate, determine the value. That value, answer, you compare with the option given in the question paper. If your calculated value and the option, any one of the option is correct, put a click mark. If it is not correct, again verify the problem. You can repeat. If you are getting, okay. If you are not getting, don't do the click that question. Leave the question. So this is the way, 3 steps you have to follow. If you follow this step, definitely you will get 600 to 700 marks out of 720. Dear students, so if you are interested to join vetted daughters, those who are studying +1, +2 and +2 completed student, how to join? Pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director of Vetted Coaching Center, Indian Bank account number 7127194771. IFC code ID IB000P134. Any queries or doubts, you contact my cell number as well as our WhatsApp number. 98941 76425. You contact. I hope we have come to the conclusion. Thank you very much for the kind cooperation. See you again in the next topic. Bye-bye.